Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to show seconds on Taskbar system clock in Windows 10. Type regedit on search bar. Click regedit. Click H key current user. Click software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click current version. Click Explorer. Click Advanced. Right-click mouse button then click New. Click Dword 32-bit value. Paste the value from the description. Double-click and change the value to 1. Close the registry. Restart the system. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.